All right.
The headline says police cars useless. Controversial used cars now assigned to administrative duties. Boy, we win. Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee was told that the 66 cars that have been handed over so far failed the rigor of regular police work. So the cars are now being used for administrative purposes within the JCF, even while 213 million of the advance to O'Brien's, which is the car company that should have got the cars, that remains outstanding. 213 million. Whew.
So what did you hear?
So now you know
the news that they had to fix some of them when they came.
That's ridiculous though, man.
Newly acquired all-terrain vehicles replaced vehicles with lower clearance and power levels at off-the-road, hilly, mountainous and difficult terrain. Mechanical problems, for example, transmission, sensors and variable parts, have been successfully strategized, considerably reducing the wishes previously highlighted. Oh dear. It is regrettable, this is Fitz Jackson now speaking, opposition spokesman on national security, and the minister and the cabinet that approved this policy decision have committed an act that is unforgivable, he said. Oh boy. So what are we going to do with these cars? Just drive them from point A to point B, drop off some letters?
Yeah, go lunch.
I don't know.
Go lunch and come back.
Lunch is a part of administrative.
It don't look like it can run down nobody.
Cannot get into certain areas, can't manage the terrain, don't have enough power to...
But that is ridiculous.
Lord have mercy.
That's ridiculous. What else?
Accountability, folks.
Yeah.
That's what we're about at this point.
What else?
Do you know that this story that's published in the Gleaner today says that 80% of Jamaicans were infected with chickpea?
Apparently some of us even had it, I never know, so we had it.
Symptoms that were not, so full-blown.
Yeah.
But 80%?
Yeah, the whole country that... Wow. It's
I would like to tell you more, but apparently...
There's nothing more to tell? No.
Oh, it's over on this side.
What are you doing, please?
I'm finding the story to back up the thing of Madrid.
The story done. You don't say it. 80%.
A survey was done, apparently, conducted 2016 to 2017.
When was chickpea? Not last year. No, year before. Year before.
And was it the year before that?
2015.
I remember Yendi had it, and Yendi was here at the time.
2015.
Work in the morning.
Yeah.
But sharing findings from the survey, Dr. Karen Webster Carr, national epidemiologist at the Health Ministry, indicated that 80% of Jamaicans were in fact infected with the mosquito-borne virus. She also noted that chickpea has remained in the island since it first hit in 2014. And people I know who had it still complain of symptoms, even though. So I would love to know how many people they spoke to, though. What was the sample size to make such a, definitive pronouncement? 80% is a whole heap of people,
Yeah. Unless them talk to 10 people and 8 say.
It wouldn't be 10. 10 wouldn't be representative enough. You have to choose a representative sample from across the highlands. All right. That's that. So this is the story here. Enjoy.
Okay. So we move now to the Minister of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries. So Mr. Shaw has reportedly backed down from the position about the next part. This is a sugar thing. Where we are going?
There's a little bit of
He wanted to put tax on imported granulated sugar.
Or as granulated as you say.
And then he has decided that he's backing down from the position after he met with the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association. And it says that he will be issuing a press release today that will clearly state that there will be no duty placed on sugar for manufacturers coming into Jamaica. So that's good news for those manufacturers. We're confused. Where we go now?
I
think we're gone now.
I think we're done.
Yeah, we don't have no more. We'll have a birthday. Well, first I want to say good morning to Monique Edwards and Monica Davis. It's a mother and daughter. They watch us every morning. So I suspect they're watching now. And they met Karine, and Karine say I should big them up, so I'm bigging you up. I also want to say happy birthday to Arlene Mackenzie. She's Judith's sister. She looks just like Judith. Look at this picture here, if she don't look just like Judith. This is Miss Arlene. Miss Arlene, I hope you have an absolutely amazing day today. And I wish you many, many more. She don't look like Judith.
Oh my God, that is just uncanny.
She looks just like Judith.
She's pretty, man.
Yes, so the greetings coming from your
beautiful
sister Judith, and of course from all of us here.
Burger Man, Judy Burger, aka Shugs.
I did that
you did this yesterday? I was just about to say.
Yeah. Happy birthday to Rudolph Hines. Mr. Hines is in his 80s, my brother tells me. He's my brother's good friend. He lives in Heartland, St. Anne. And sir, I hope you'll have an absolutely amazing day today. And I wish you many, many, many more, sir. Have a great day today.
One of our Smile Jammers, Monique Jones, celebrates on Sunday, so she asked me to do her birthday today. So Monique, have a great day on Sunday when it comes. Sunday, she says, also happens to be Grandparents' Day in the States. So look it out for you, buddy.
Weird.
You have more?
Yeah, I nearly forget this one. Let's say that kill me. Happy birthday to my nephew, not mine, Jaleel Mills. He's 12 years old today. It is from his mom, Natalie, his dad, Alex, and your Auntie Rachel, your Uncle Simon, your grandparents. It says Mr. and Mrs. Mills. Your Auntie Natalie, so your mom is Natalie, your auntie is Natalie, and your cousin Rashard, and they love him. Now look at this. Look at this Virginia handsome and neat. I like that outfit. I want to know where you get your clothes. As I like this outfit. Hello? Who there? Look at that. Virgin hot boy.
You have a ton of clothes like that. In fact, this young man could have raided your closet with this outfit.
That's I like him outfit. Lachelle would have killed me. Easy Lash and Simon. All right, so happy birthday, folks. Have a great day today. We'll soon come back.